If you're looking to increase the power and performance of your heavy-duty diesel engine, a variable geometry turbocharger is an excellent option. When shopping for a replacement VGT, you've probably seen the descriptors short and long in the search results. So which one should you buy? Today, we're going to cover the differences between a short and long VGT turbocharger so you can buy with confidence. Before we get into today's video, if you're looking to keep your diesel engine running at peak performance on the road, be sure to hit the subscribe button. End your search for answers and engine components with our industry-leading technical service and parts featured here at HHP. Also, be sure to check out highwayandheavyparts.com for our online resource library offering additional help for all major heavy-duty makes and models. Hit subscribe, get informed, get back on the road with America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Why buy a VGT? One of the main benefits of VGTs is that they offer excellent performance across a broad range of engine speeds. This is because variable geometry mechanism allows the turbocharger to respond quickly to changes in engine load and speed, providing the optimal amount of airflow to the engine. This results in faster acceleration and improved fuel efficiency, making VGTs an excellent choice for heavy-duty diesel engines. The purpose of a VGT turbo is to match the proper amount of air to fuel within the engine throughout the entire RPM range of the engine. Historically, the turbo was somewhat fixed with the amount of air it could pull out. VG stands for variable geometry. The turbo changes sizes effectively to meet this demand. This gives the engine better performance and cleaner emissions. If you're shopping for a VGT turbocharger after a proper diagnosis following an engine issue, you'll notice the Highway and Heavy Parts product search shows short and long VGT turbocharger. In order to know what type of VGT you need, you will need to know what the source of your problem is. If you've diagnosed your VGT turbo and found that the turbo has failed, but your actuator is working fine, then you'll want to buy a short VGT turbo. These turbos are sold without an actuator and are built to OEM specifications. Your original actuator can be retrofitted to this newer turbo. However, you'll need to have the actuator recalibrated to the newer turbo at a reputable repair shop to ensure it'll work correctly while attached to the newer component. Roughly 50% of the time, you may not need an actuator. But if your actuator has logged a large amount of hours in service, you may want to replace the actuator to avoid any future problems. If you found that both your VGT turbo and actuator have failed, you will need to replace both the turbo and actuator. In this case, you will need a long VGT turbocharger or complete VGT turbo. In addition to a high-quality rebuilt VGT turbo, you'll also get a new VGT actuator already installed on the turbo. Even better, the actuator is already calibrated to the new turbo it's installed on. No need to have it calibrated after install. Right from the box, you'll be ready to get back on the road. This makes purchasing a long VGT turbo more simple and convenient for you and your engine, avoiding any future problems with either component. If you purchase just an actuator, this can cost anywhere between $150 to $2,500. If you retrofit an original actuator to a newer turbo and it fails, you could be putting your new turbo in jeopardy of also failing. Then you're back to square one and will now have to purchase a long VGT turbo, so make sure you know what you need before you settle on a short or long turbo. If you aren't sure, our certified staff can help you make that very important decision. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for affordable OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about your diesel engine, you can call our ASC certified technicians at 844-447-1453. Or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube, Facebook, and all our other social media channels to stay up to date on all news and information. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.